Hello, welcome to week 5 of finance. This week is going to be an interesting week. I find the topics that we're going to talk about very interesting. First of all, you're going to be reading a case and working on a case that compares and contrasts Walmart stores versus Sears. And you are going to be a financial analyst and have to do some analysis comparing and contrasting the two companies based on their financial statements, and then make a recommendation on whether you think you should buy or sell that stock based on their financials and some of the financial analysis tools that we have learned previous in this course. You're also going to be reading chapters 6 and 7 of the text. Chapter 6 is looking at the analysis of an investment decision, and this is very interesting because it takes into account the time value of money and whether you should invest in a capital expenditure like a new piece of equipment or a new manufacturing plant or a new product line, or whether you shouldn't. And then chapter 7 is the cost of capital, which is also known as the hurdle rate. So every corporation has to return a certain amount of money back to their investors, and every corporation's cost of capital or hurdle rate is somewhat different. So chapter 7 walks us through how do we come up with that cost of capital, which ultimately informs our investment decisions that we learn about in chapter 6. So I think you're going to enjoy this week and the material that we cover in it.